Looking for speed, precision, and power in 3D printing? Meet the Flsun T1 Pro, the Delta printer that's revolutionizing the market. With print speeds exceeding 1000 millimeters per second and an ultra-stable Delta structure, the T1 Pro isn't just fast, it's unstoppable. It includes a high-temperature hot end of up to 300 degrees Celsius. Ideal for demanding materials like ABS, PC, nylon, or carbon fiber. And the quality? Precise details, clean finishes, and a huge print volume. Plus, it comes almost assembled, you're printing in minutes. If you want to make the leap to professional printing, the Flsun T1 Pro is your next great tool. Power, speed, and creative freedom all in one machine. Find it now on Amazon. Don't forget to research and compare before you buy. I'll leave the link in the description, or you can visit my Linktree to see more incredible products I've selected for you. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content.